Sondiko Refillable Kitchen Torch. The Sondiko Butane Torch S400 is a professional-grade kitchen tool perfect for culinary and household tasks. Its refillable design ensures long-lasting use, while the adjustable flame control allows precision for everything from caramelizing crème brûlée to searing meat. The torch features a safety lock to prevent accidental ignition, ensuring safe operation in the kitchen. With its durable, high-quality construction, it withstands high temperatures and frequent use. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable, secure grip for easy handling. Its versatile design also makes it great for soldering, crafting, and lighting fires. The S400 torch is compatible with most butane canisters, making refilling simple and convenient. A visible fuel gauge lets you monitor usage at a glance. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for both home and professional kitchens. Elevate your cooking game with the powerful and reliable Sondiko Butane Torch S400.